an order from the Alliance. We try to find out what they want to hide from us. In fact, it's nothing. Najib just got scared and he invented this story to get out. Najib looks better once we're on the other side. I'm just behind him, on the left of these images shot by Dodge. Being on the lookout, Najib has just learned that the American task force has arrived. It's the famous 12th Mountain Division. Of course I want to ask them questions, but I don't want them to prevent me from filming. So, I remain silent. Everyone is looking at each other, without getting in the way. It's also true for the Afghans. They're scanning the fortress, so I do the same. Yet, I don't know what to look for. But it's important to follow the action. They seem to be trying to locate their buddies.
All right, fellas, what happened is they're inside the front gate and they're trying to move up into their cast position so they can see, and they're taking a lot of fire, so...
This man is getting the coordinates of the target.
No aircraft at this time. Over.
Then he transmits them to the headquarters of the American forces in Afghanistan, where the hit is being directed from.
Quick after that, we get the airplanes on.
You could think we're in a movie.
Can I take picture? Some picture.
What's that?
Can I take
Well, I'll tell you
picture?
what, my mom...
He's asking if he can take pictures.
I would rather you didn't take a picture of my face.
He would prefer not his face.
Okay.